Hello and welcome back to Intertax Learning's Career Anatomy series. When you look across enough multinationals, you start to see patterns, not just in how they structure tax, but in what they expect from the people who work in those roles. Today, I want to walk through a few of those patterns because they say a lot about what an international tax career actually looks like in practice. First of all, international tax is not just about rules, frameworks, or exam structures. The actual work that shapes our career and our ability is defined by how global companies operate. Across industries, the same pattern keeps showing up. Planning is increasingly model-driven. Compliance is not just preparation, but also governance. Reporting is tied to forecasting and effective tax rate management. Operations sits closer to supply chain and systems. Advisory is cross-functional influence, and M&A is integration and alignment, not just diligence. This pattern, or should I say ecosystem, is what we are actually navigating. It signifies that international tax function is becoming more of a business partner rather than a technical function. While technical knowledge is important, it is only the baseline. What differentiates people at manager and senior manager level is how well they understand how the business works, how well they're able to interpret data. Do they know how systems shape tax outcomes? How well they communicate with people who don't speak the tax language? How well they frame risk in a way leadership can act on? And how well they connect tax logic to commercial decisions? These are the skills that move someone from a tax expert to a reliable business partner. Every multinational job description has a few lines that looked generic but carry real meaning. This is how they should be interpreted. Cross-functional means you'll spend a lot of time aligning with teams whose priorities don't match yours. And that's when influence matters more than authority. Fast-paced environment means processes will be evolving. You'll need to be able to create clarity for yourself and others. Strategic mindset means they're looking for someone who understands the system, not just the rules. These expectations shape the day-to-day reality. If you look at the list again, you realize these are all related to soft skills. The world of international tax, especially at a higher level, soft skill matters just as much as technical skills. Now, going back to the technical side, a few trends are consistent. Pillar 2 is reshaping operating models. Data is becoming central to tax work. AI is reducing manual tasks but increasing the need for judgment. Tax is moving closer to finance and business strategy. So when you look at global companies, you're not just seeing job descriptions, you're seeing the direction of the entire field. And understanding the direction helps you make better decisions about where to focus, what skills to build, and how to position yourself for the roles you want. Alright, that's it for this video. If you want more breakdowns like this, the rest of the Career Anatomy series goes deeper into specific companies and roles. See you in the next one.